Hello, good day, ma'am and sir, and to my sonor employer. My name is Vicky B. Udani. I am 40 years old, married. I live in 71 Magdalena Subdivision, If Antonio Street, Barangay Malinaw, Pasig City. My highest educational attainment is Business, Information Management, and Computer Science. I consider also myself as flexible, trustworthy, hardworking, and independent woman. I can adapt a new work environment and etc. I have experience as domestic helper for almost 7 years in Kuwait City, taking care of children, and also being a nanny. I'll do my duties and responsibilities, taking care of them, cooking the food that they want, bathing, give them a shower, teach them how to speak English, and playing with them. And also, being a nanny, I do my duties and responsibilities all around cleaning, ironing, washing, doing laundry, washing the cars, do shopping and marketing. If ever you select me and give me a chance to hire me, I will give you 100% assurance to serve and to love your children and your family. And I promise you, if you ever select me, I will stay until you finish my contract and until you need me. I'm hoping and praying that you consider this application. Thank you, ma'am and sir.